What if your family's favorite place could also protect the future of our ocean? Here in our community, Mote isn't just an aquarium. It's where discovery begins and where science meets heart.
We only live 10 minutes away, and so because we are so close to here, we wanted something that we could do with him. And honestly, having a membership is so affordable because Mote Marine is like, this is Florida. This is seeing all the sea life, and I just love what Mote Marine stands for and how they work to help animals.
Because of our members, Mote scientists are restoring coral reefs, protecting sea turtles, studying sharks, and responding when our waters need us most.
You'll visit, you'll see something new every time, you'll learn a lot. So it's just a wonderful membership.
It has turned into a great community builder.
Your membership means a year of unforgettable memories, free admission, exclusive benefits, and the chance to give back to the ocean we all call home.
Well, this is our first time in here, so I think I've been blown away. As a born and raised Floridian, our oceans are really important to us. So all of the hands-on work and research and then educating back to our young ones that they do has always been something I've really admired.
When you become a Mote member, you're not just joining an aquarium, you're joining a community. You're protecting our ocean together.